Ancestral blessings to all you Nigerians everywhere around the world. Mr. United here, unified.org. Special greetings to all our tribes back home, southeast, south, southwest, middle belt, and the beautiful northern tribes. Intertribal relationships. Starting here in the UK, we'll be making articles of, those having one, and also at some point we're going to be trying to help those who are seeking one as well. So starting here in the UK, we'll eventually branch into the USA. Intertribal relationships, a very good, beautiful, positive avenue in trying to get all Nigerian youths from all the tribes to lock in mentally with culture as the undergird in getting Nigerians prepared to be heading towards the area of becoming one of the strongest economies in the world. We have it in us innately. We must never take, for granted what we have, a beautiful land. So we must begin to think. So intertribal relationships, get in touch. We are going to be doing a whole lot more on that. So it is relationships at unified.org. Okay.